Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Queen Rayla or Queen Cloud from Barbie and the magic of Pegasus in Dress to Impress. Okay guys, the outfit will look like this and I'm going to show you how I made this outfit. Okay guys, first of all, you can choose this hairstyle and you're going to color it with this color and also this hairstyle. And then you're going to put on this tiara from the VIP room. But if you don't have VIP room, you can replace it with another item. Okay, and you can color it with this color for the first selection and also the second selection. And you can do a little adjustment. You can position it like this, rotate, and then scale. Okay, and then the next one, I'm going to go to the world culture clothing area, which is right here, and then I'm going to select this skirt. Okay, and then I'm going to color it with this color. You can choose this color for the first selection and also the second selection, and then we're going to make it glitter. Okay, and then we're going to select this skirt as well. Okay, and choose this skirt only. Select only skirt and you're going to color it with the same color. And again, don't forget to make the material glitter. And then I'm going to move to the next area. I'm going to open up this box to get the item from Valentine's update. I'm going to choose this one. And then I'm going to color it with the same color for the first selection, and for the ribbon I'm going to make it this color. Okay, and for the third selection, and again we're gonna make it glitter. Okay, done. And I'm going to go to the changing room. Okay, let me close it. I'm going to select this item and we're going to select the top only, and again we're going to make it this color and make it glitter. And we need item from the witch set, the sleeves, and I'm going to color it with the same color and we're gonna make it glitter. And then I'm going to combine it with the sleeves from the withered rose set. I'm going to make it this color for all the selection, and you're going to change the material to glitter. Alright, and then I'm going to select this skirt, but we're going to remove the layer, make it this color and make it glitter. Okay, and we're going to go to the skirts item, select this item, and I'm going to remove the X. And for the color, I'm just going to make it this color for the first selection, and the second selection I'm going to make it this color. Okay, and then the last one, I'm going to go to the VIP room and I'm going to put on this shoes. Okay, and again, if you don't have VIP, you're going to choose another shoes. Okay, I'm just going to make it this color. Alright, you guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to recreate a Queen Rayla or Queen Cloud from Barbie and the magic of Pegasus. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!